As a marketer, you are a change leader and you've signed up for a job where everybody can say no to your ideas. Your boss can't say no, your colleagues can't say no, your team can't say no, and of course, customers and clients can say no. The V zone is your zone of power.
You'll work on things that are more important, that will get more recognition, it will engender greater growth, that will build your reputation, and on and on.
The value creation zone.
Business case.
Pushback, influence, grab the ball.
Reprioritize.
Unusual suspect.
Econometric.
First followers, change. Bulldozer, power.
Feedback.
Inspiration. Report, report, report.
Simple.
If change is your goal, this class is for you.